Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Headlights Silverado is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for your classic 1995 Chevy Silverado. Ensuring optimal visibility is paramount for safe driving, particularly during those late-night cruises or when the weather takes a turn for the worse. We're diving deep into the world of headlights, exploring the best options to illuminate your path and keep you safe on the road. Number 5. HEADLIGHTSDEPOT Chrome Halogen Headlights for Chevy. Looking to refresh your Chevy's headlights? These chrome halogen headlights are the perfect solution. They're designed to fit a variety of Chevy models, giving your vehicle a fresh new look. This set is compatible with several Chevy Blazer, CK, and Suburban models. Please note that it does not fit GMC vehicles. Make sure it fits your car before purchasing. The set includes both driver and passenger side headlamps, along with corner and signal lights. It's a complete package, ready for installation. Everything you need is included. These halogen headlights are DOT and SAE stamped, meeting all safety requirements. They're built to high standards, ensuring both quality and safety on the road. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year limited warranty. If you encounter any issues, they've got you covered. It's a hassle-free warranty for your convenience. Get high-quality, aftermarket halogen headlights at an affordable price. They offer the original equipment style, providing a great value for your money. It's an easy and cost-effective upgrade. What we like. This headlight set comes with halogen bulbs, making installation a breeze. It's also DOT and SAE stamped, ensuring it meets all safety requirements. If you're looking for an affordable, high-quality, and easy-to-install headlight replacement, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They come with new headlight bulbs ready to plug into the wiring harness. Once the installation was finished, it was obvious how the scratched lens were impacting the transmission of light through the old discolored lenses. After installing the new lamps, I can see much better than I could with the old cloudy ones. Number 4. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Chevy CK Series. This headlight assembly is compatible with various Chevrolet models from 1994 to 1999, including the CK Series, Tahoe, and Suburban. It's designed to fit your vehicle perfectly, ensuring a seamless installation. Please note that bulbs are not included. Autosaver 88 ensures the reliability of this product through strict quality control. Rigorous testing throughout the production process guarantees that it performs well in all conditions. You can rely on it for long-lasting performance. The waterproof construction ensures that it is completely sealed. This design prevents moisture from entering, allowing it to function flawlessly in any weather, whether it's rain, snow, or sand. The microprism reflector alerts other drivers to your presence at night. The chrome-plated finish enhances light reflectivity, providing brighter illumination and a wider lighting angle. One-way vents help to remove moisture, extending its lifespan. This is a pair of headlights, including both the left and right sides. It is identical to the original equipment housings, ensuring a perfect fit without any gaps. Professional installation is highly recommended for optimal results. What we like. These headlights feature a waterproof design, protecting them from the elements. The chrome housing enhances reflectivity for brighter illumination. If you frequently drive in harsh weather conditions and want a direct, hassle-free replacement, consider these headlights. What people say. They are of a good quality, durable, and installation was simple. The clarity of the headlights couldn't be any more clear, and seeing clearly on the dark country roads in which we frequent is not an issue at all. They look good and were pretty simple to install if you know what you're doing. Number 3. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Chevy GMC Trucks. This headlight assembly is designed to fit a wide range of Chevy and GMC trucks from the 1990s. It's compatible with various CK Series models, Suburbans, Blazers, and Tahoes. Make sure it fits your specific vehicle model. The headlight uses HB3 9005 for high beams and HB4 9006 for low beams. Please note that the bulbs are not included, so you'll need to purchase those separately. It's important to choose the correct bulbs for optimal performance. Autosaver 88 ensures product reliability through strict quality control. Rigorous testing throughout the production process guarantees that the headlights perform well under any conditions. You can rely on them for long-lasting use. The waterproof construction ensures the headlights are completely sealed. This design prevents moisture from entering, allowing them to function flawlessly in any weather. It's built to withstand rain, snow, and other harsh conditions. The microprism reflector alerts other drivers at night. The chrome-plated finish enhances light reflectivity, providing brighter illumination and a wider lighting angle. One-way vents help to remove moisture, extending the lifespan of the headlights. This is a pair of headlights, including both the left and right sides. They are identical to the original equipment housings, ensuring a perfect fit without any gaps after installation. Professional installation is highly recommended for the best results. What we like. These headlights are compatible with a wide range of Chevy and GMC models, offering versatility. The durable construction ensures a long lifespan. If you own multiple compatible vehicles or want a reliable, long-lasting upgrade, this is a great option. What people say. Easy and great replacement on my '97 Tahoe. Makes it look a lot better than the old faded headlights. Combined with some LED bulbs, I can see a lot better at night too. Factory fit. Decent quality. Adjusting the lights was a bit iffy, but they're a big improvement from the dull lenses I replaced. These work great and a definite improvement over OEM. When paired with a good quality LED bulb that you can adjust the beam pattern. Number 2. OEDRO headlight assembly for Chevy Silverado. This OEDRO headlight assembly is designed for multiple Chevy Silverado models. It fits various years and submodels, ensuring a perfect match for your vehicle. Make sure it fits your car before you buy it. The lights minimize glare, enhancing visibility at night. The design also includes stylish corner lights, improving safety by making it easier to see other vehicles and pedestrians. The headlight assembly is made with a clear polycarbonate lens and a durable PC housing. These materials provide excellent resistance to heat, vibration, and dust, ensuring longevity. It's completely sealed with solid silicone and features a one-way vent to manage moisture. This design prevents corrosion and fogging, extending the lifespan of the headlights in various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward with no modifications needed. The assembly is designed to function like the original headlights. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. What we like. These headlights are designed to be brighter and safer, minimizing glare. They are constructed with premium materials for exceptional durability. If you prioritize safety and want a long-lasting headlight assembly, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect fit, bolts right up and easy to install. Easy to install, looks great, fit well. The headlights look great. I've had them on for about a month. I washed my truck and they haven't had any moisture in them. Also, the clear coat on the headlights seem to be holding up. I don't see any flaking yet, but I did recommend them and brother got a set and no problems. They look and work well. Number 1. Spec-D Chevy CKC10 pickup headlights and corner lamps. You'll receive the product in its original packaging, guaranteed. This means you'll never get a used item from us. Everything is brand new and ready to go. These lights meet or exceed OEM requirements. The manufacturer is ISO certified, ensuring quality and safety standards. You can trust the product's reliability. Installation is designed to be straightforward. You'll find that little to no modifications are needed. It's designed for a hassle-free setup. Enjoy peace of mind with a 30-day refund and a 90-day replacement warranty for defective items. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll assist you. This product fits various Chevy models, including the C10 pickup from 1994 to 1998, and other CK, Tahoe, Suburban, and Silverado models. Make sure it fits your vehicle with composite headlights. What we like. These headlights are DOT and SAE compliant, guaranteeing quality and safety. Installation is made easy with little to no modifications needed. If you value quality, easy installation, and peace of mind with a warranty, then this is the perfect option for you. What people say. They fit great. They look great. Very easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.